Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers.
Update, we are driving to Texas tonight to get some wheels for Gavin's Corvette. I'll update you. Alright, typing a paper on the way. Let's do this Sunday. Yeah, we're driving all night. Go get Gabby some Corvette wheels.
They're gonna be junk.
You swear?
Yep.
Alright, bro.
I will probably jump out of the truck.
Nah, it'll be chill.
We're buying
It'll
them
be chill.
regardless.
Probably go get some In-N-Out too, bro. Yeah, Texas, here we come. Yeah.
We're fasting for the whole trip.
We are?
Yeah, we are.
Already ate 2 Speedway rollers.
After that.
Okay, alright.
From now on out.
Let's lock in. How many hours left?
13.5. And we're getting 23 miles to the gallon.
I didn't ask that part.
Son of a bitch, he's right!
Yeah. Yeah. Ohio River.
Texas, here we come.
Little bit, I put a love bill for both of 9 hours left into this road trip. You guys fucking sleeping and snoring and shit. We're just cruising. Yo's good, everyone. It is like
What?
I thought you said we're on Boris Island.
that too.
I was like,
Call of Duty map or something. Boris Island. What the fuck even is that? It's like 6 in the morning. We're like 4 hours away. We can't check into a hotel until 3. We can't meet the guy until 7-ish. So we figured we'd just crash here in hotel parking lot. Just because we're all tired. And we don't really have anywhere to be. So we can take this 3 hours, crash, and chill out. So we will update you when we're at the hotel. And probably grab an In-N-Out.
Ever since the day that you went away.
Oh yeah.
CO1 and a Hellcat.
That is tough. Yeah, that's what it is. Later, boys.
6160.
Instead of 1? Oh my god, it is, dude. What the hell? Low mile per gallon, that's fun. Yeah! Made it to Texas. Yeah! Yeah,
We've been here for 30 seconds.
look at all those cars, bro.
Damn, that would be fire.
Yeah. Hey, welcome to Texas, boys. Yeah! Got my cowboy hats.
Boots.
All
We gotta
right.
get some scoots. We gotta get some buggies.
All right. Yeah. Bag is secured. We got the wheels.
pretty nice.
Yo. Now.
2 hours to Shreveport.
Yeah.
And
Gotta
13 or 14 back home.
Gonna go see Lukey. He bought a hat. Yeah. Nah, that's fucking crazy.
I like it.
That's actually tough.
Yeah. I don't know about $22. But
Oh my god. You
Whatever.
fucking idiot.
But
Let me get it.
Huh?
Alright, well, back on the road. We're going to Shreveport. See our cuzzo.
Getting shot.
getting shot. Mug.
Mug.
Stolen.
I got mom
Yep.
a Texas lighter.
She's gonna lose it.
Yeah.
I don't give a fuck.
I don't buy anyone shit ever. We made it to Luke's place in Shreveport. Had to swing through.
They fucked it up, bro. They said, look, they put honey sesame chicken breast on this.
Oh, that was mine too.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I ordered honey sesame chicken too.
Did you?
Yeah.
No, yeah.
I see that.
We DoorDash some
Whatever.
pizza.
No, fuck
Yes.
Hanging out.
chicken.
And then we're heading out
No,
tomorrow
just like
morning.
sweet teriyaki.
We made it!
We got them big boy wheels.
Yeah. Got to throw these on the vet. I will follow up with a video clip of these on the vet.
Where do you want to put the big ones?
Yeah. Backseat. Well, we're home, back in Ohio. Yeah, what these look like on the Corvette.